हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशनल वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को डीएवी क्लास 8 एसएसटी के चैप्टर नंबर 21 सोशल जस्टिस एंड द मार्जिनलाइज्ड का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं। टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट बिलोंग टू इकोनॉमिकली एंड सोशली डिसएडवांटेज्ड कम्युनिटीज ऑफ इंडिया? ट्रेडर्स। ऑप्शन नंबर डी। Which noise a tribal community lives in? Option number B. Rajasthan. A traditional Islamic educational institution is called a madrasa. Option number C. Which one of the following factors does not make a successful democracy? Best people opinion. Which one of the following words does not find a mention in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Harmony. Option number C. Next देखते हैं filling the blanks. India is a sovereign and secular democracy. Economically and socially disadvantaged communities of India are known as Harijans. The end of tribals' traditional lifestyle had resulted in marginalization and exploitation. The idea behind the reservation in the educational institutions is to increase the diversity of representation and to bring about social equality in India. The better educated and wealthier sections of backward classes are called the creamy layer. Match the following. The spiritual mentor of the Visnois, Jamveshwar Ji. A term used for the Adivasis in the Constitution, scheduled tribes. Equality of status and opportunity, right to freedom. Anglo-Indians, a minority community. Second Backward Classes Commission, BP Mandal. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन ब्रीफ। मेंशन एनी 3 एलिमेंट्स व्हिच आर एसेंशियल फॉर मेकिंग ए सक्सेसफुल डेमोक्रेसी। सोशल जस्टिस, इंडिविजुअल राइट्स, इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन इन डिसीजन मेकिंग आर एसेंशियल फॉर मेकिंग ए सक्सेसफुल डेमोक्रेसी। Which communities come under other backward classes, OBCs? Who identified them and how? The communities under OBCs mainly comprise of small cultivators, agricultural laborers, artisans, people engaged in weaving, fishing, construction work, etc. They were listed as other backward classes on the recommendation of the second backward classes Commission under Chairman BP Mandal in 1978. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. एक्सप्लेन द टर्म क्रीमी लेयर. Why should they be given benefit of reservation? The term creamy layer is used for the relatively wealthier and better educated members of the backward classes. It is argued that they should not continue to avail the benefits of reservation. The benefits of progress must be distributed in such a way that neither the creamy layer nor the other communities monopolize the national resources. They should be divided for the development of a just and equitable society. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Highlight 2 values that we can learn from the Visnois with respect to the environment. 2 values that we can learn from the Visnois with respect to the environment are: the Visnois conservationists take care of nature and live in harmony with it instead of exploiting it. They have contributed more to environment and wildlife protection than the entire country put together. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Why was the provision of reservation included in the Indian Constitution? Who are the beneficiaries of this policy and how? The Constitution farmers included the provision of reservation to uplift historically oppressed and marginalized sections of the society who were denied respect and equality. The underprivileged and the underrepresented needed equal opportunity in nation building. Beneficiaries of this policy are: under it, a percentage of seats are reserved in the public sector units, unions, states, civil services, union and state departments in all public and private educational institutions for the socially and economically backward classes. They are listed as SCs and STs in the Indian Constitution. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. कंपेयर द कंडीशंस ऑफ द आदिवासीज ऑफ इंडिया ड्यूरिंग प्री एंड पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस इरा. आदिवासी ग्रुप्स हैव ऑलवेज बीन डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड इन द प्री एंड पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस इरा. The forest in which the Adivasis lived were taken away from them in the name of development during the British period. As a result, they become landless and homeless. Many protests and revolts occurred during colonial era against the exploitation. Even in the post-independence era, Adivasi groups faced discrimination at the hands of the government and many other powerful forces. This had resulted in problems such as poverty, illiteracy, etc. among the tribals. Next question देखते हैं. Question number 2. The Bishnoi conservationists take care of nature and grow with it instead of exploiting it. Explain the statement. The preservation of animals and vegetation has been a religion to Bishnois since the 15th century. Their tenets are related to personal hygiene, maintaining good basic health, healthy social behavior, and worship of God. Bishnois preserve biodiversity and encourage good animal husbandry. Their religion bans animal killing, felling green trees, and directs them to protect life in all forms. They have contributed more to environment and wildlife protection than the entire country put together. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. एक्सप्लेन द टर्म माइनॉरिटीज. व्हाई डू दे लैग बिहाइंड द मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी बोथ एजुकेशनली एंड इकोनॉमिकली? हाउ कैन दे गेट देयर राइटफुल प्लेस इन सोसाइटी? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रेस, रिलीजन और लैंग्वेज, their number is much less than the majority community. The minority community are Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Jains, Parsis, etc. They lag behind the majority community both educationally and economically. They suffer backwardness due to abstaining from the mainstream education and opting for traditional education, which is primarily religious. Many Muslim parents still prefer to send their children to a madrasa and not for modern education. The minorities have to be provided their rightful place. They had to be protected from being dominated as well as discriminated. Ministry of Minority Affairs has launched several schemes for the welfare of minorities and it safeguards their rights. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सजेस्ट एनी 5 measures that can be taken for the upliftment of the downtrodden in a democracy. Ministry of Minority Affairs has launched several schemes for the welfare of the minorities. It is the prince duty of a democratic government to ensure the progress of all sections of society. Measures must be taken for the upliftment of those who are not able to enjoy the benefits of development. All inequalities must be removed to establish an egalitarian society. Each and every Indian needs to work together to end the suffering caused by discrimination, deprivation and lack of social and economic justice. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What is meant by political safeguards? Who are the beneficiaries of this policy? How far is such a safeguard justified? As a political safeguards, seats in the Lok Sabha, state assemblies, panchayats and municipalities are reserved for the SC, ST, OBC, women and other minority community. The beneficiaries of this policy are SCs, STs, OBCs, women and other minority communities. This policy provides social justice to all and ends inequalities in our society. Under this policy, seats are reserved for SCs, STs, OBCs in the legislature, government, service, schools, college, etc. They are also given relaxation in upper age limit for applying to certain jobs. The idea behind the reservation in the educational institutions to increase the diversity of a representation. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए एजुकेशनल वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।